Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify housing contracts with rent.com detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify housing contracts with rent.com, start by visiting the rent.com website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the section dedicated to housing listings. Search for the specific apartment or property you are interested in. Click on the listing to access detailed information about the property. Check for contact information for the property manager or landlord. Reach out to them directly to confirm that they are indeed associated with the listing. Ask for specific details about the housing contract. Request any official documentation they can provide. Verify that the documentation matches the details listed on rent.com. Look for any customer reviews or feedback on the property. Visit the property in person, if possible, to validate its existence. Take note of any discrepancies between the listing and the actual property. Document your findings for future reference. If everything checks out, consider proceeding with your rental application. Keep all correspondence and documentation organized. This will help you in case any issues arise during the rental process. Follow up with the landlord or property manager if you have additional questions. Always ensure you fully understand the terms of the contract before signing. Congratulations, you are now equipped to verify housing contracts with rent.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.